Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma with AI. Integrating artificial intelligence into your design process can significantly boost efficiency and creativity. AI tools within Figma help automate many routine tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic design decisions. You can generate diverse design options, create content, and streamline workflows, making your design journey smoother and faster. This approach allows for rapid prototyping and exploration of countless possibilities. Several powerful AI plugins are available directly within Figma to supercharge your design work. Tools like Magician by Diagram allow you to generate text, images, and even icons with simple prompts. Imagine creating 100 unique icons in just a few seconds, or populating an entire layout with realistic placeholder content instantly. These plugins significantly reduce manual effort, letting you focus on the overall user experience and design strategy. AI in Figma offers many practical applications. You can generate 5 to 10 different layout variations for a single screen in moments, or quickly iterate on color schemes and font pairings. AI can also assist in creating detailed user flows and wireframes, saving hours of manual drawing. Furthermore, imagine instantly translating all your design text into 3 or 4 different languages for global audiences, ensuring broader accessibility. To get the most out of AI in Figma, always provide clear and specific prompts. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for human creativity. Always review and refine its output. The best results come from combining AI's speed with your unique design insights. Looking ahead, expect even more sophisticated AI capabilities, like predictive design and advanced personalization, to further revolutionize our design workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.